In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ERPNext for free, 2025 guide. ERPNext is a powerful open source ERP that you can try at no cost. We'll start by exploring the demo, then I'll show you how to install it locally using the official bench method, walk through the first time setup, highlight the core modules you get for free, and finish with how to access it from anywhere if you want to put it online. First, head to the ERPNext website and click Try Demo. Log in with the provided demo credentials to get a feel for the interface and the modules. This is perfect for exploring features safely. Just remember, demo data resets every day, so it's not meant for real business use or long-term testing. When you're ready to install, choose where to run it. You can set it up on a personal computer as a local server, on a free or low-cost VPS, or on any Linux server. A Linux environment is recommended for the smoothest experience, and Ubuntu 20.04 or 22.04 tends to work best. If you're new to this, a local install is a great way to learn without spending anything. Now let's install ERPNext using Bench, the official and easiest method. On Ubuntu, open your terminal and update your system, then install the basics by running sudo apt update and then sudo apt install python 3 minimal python 3 pip get y. Next, install bench with pip3, install frappy bench. Create your workspace with bench init ERPNext, change into that folder with cd ERPNext, and create a new site by running bench new site your site.local. Replace your site.local with any site name you like. Add the ERPNext app using bench get app ERPNext. Install it to your site with bench.siteyoursite.local install app ERPNext and start the server using bench start. Open your browser and go to http as/localhost 8000. You should see ERPNext up and running. On your first login, the setup wizard will guide you. Enter your company name, select your country and currency. Choose your industry. Set the fiscal year according to your accounting period and create your admin user. ERPNext will auto-configure most defaults so you can get started quickly. With the setup complete, you can use the core modules right away, including accounting, inventory, CRM, sales and purchase, HR, and projects. There's no license fee and no user limit, which makes it ideal for startups, growing teams, or anyone evaluating a full ERP without upfront cost. If you want to access ERPNext from anywhere, set up a domain, put it behind Nginx as a reverse proxy, and enable SSL using Let's Encrypt. Alternatively, deploy it on a low-cost VPS so it's reachable securely over the internet. Keep your server updated and schedule backups for peace of mind. That's it, your free ERPNext is ready to explore and use.